Hello guys, you see to my computer screen, it is very cute and very cool Father Max Pro logo design. So, dear friends, it is very easy. Just take time and keep the patience. You can learn from this video. So, no more talk. I'm standing here. So, I know a little bit small and I need to keep this counter side and again a little bit here, a little bit. Yes, it's just exactly. So what should I do? I need to go to here, press the rectangle tool, go here, over here. I need to go here, a little bit. Yes, this is fantastic. So I need a little bit here and go here, a little bit. Yes, this is good, I think. So I need to know just like that, a little bit bigger here. You see, a little bit here. Okay, so again, I just curve all this counter side round system. Okay, this fine. I think it's good. And now I just is a guider, a ruler here using because it's needed. It will be more flexibly work. So I need to go to the here again. I go to the here. This is a little bit like that. I don't know it is okay or not. Yes, a little bit maybe side. What should I do? I just to here go to the add anchor tool here and select this here. I think first of all I need to go here. So then here anchor tool here and add here, go here and little bit here. Okay, that's fine. I think that's fine. Okay, now I need to delete this one. I need delete this one. Okay, I need to go again here. Just a little bit. Select this one and a little bit here, I think. Distance, yes. Okay, the same to same. So what should I do? I need to just select this one again by pressing Shift key and go to the upper key side. You see? Oh, it's magic. Okay, that's fine. Now I need again here by pressing Shift key for the round system. Just a little bit around here. It's looking nice. Yes, okay. Again, I need to Shift key here by pressing Shift key and a little bit this round system. Okay, that's fine. So what should I do? I need to go to here again. I just select this one and go to the scissor and select here and it just goes here and I think this fine. I select this one and delete all the things. Okay, again I need to select here and it just go to the uniform and here you see exactly already happened is there. Okay, right now I just to this upper side key here like that. Oh, that's not a sorry for that. I need a round rectangle tool here and go here just a little bit. Okay, I think this indicator again. I go to the here. I think like there. Okay, that's fine. I think a little bit, maybe 8 or 6, 7. Okay, that's fine. No problem. This I little bit keep here in the middle side. go here, you see this shape already done. Now just I go to the type tool for the file. Okay, go to the here and type file. Okay, so right here just set to a little bit bigger here. I think this is good. Now just to create outline this one and go to the ungroup and just delete this one and go here, put it in the middle side like that. I think a little bit bigger will be working good. Okay, so go to the here again, ellipse center like that. Okay, that's fine, I think. Okay, so a little bit here. Oh my god, it, little bit here, a little bit here, and I think this one also select for the all the things. Okay, so keep it and just put it here for the round set. Okay, here a little bit. Okay, that's fine, I think. So I need it now just to here and select the color. I think this color is good. Yes, this is color which I want. So copy here, and I need it just to go a little bit here, a little bit. Yes. So again, I need here and go to the here for the polygon tools. 8, go to the little bit smaller. I think it's good. A little bit smaller here, just to keep it all the things. It will be more effective. So a little bit here, I think it's more little bit. Okay, that's fine. Again, a little bit. Yes. Okay, keep this. I think this is the center. So okay, so right here, not a center. I think this is not a center. Yes, this one because it's bigger. This way it's not a good. Okay, so I'm gonna just putting this one like that. Go here and I go to the here. First of all, I need to go to the here, the line segment tool. So here, okay, I think it's set key here, and again here, like that. Okay, so again, set key here. I need to go to the again here, and go to the here. Okay, go here, go here straight, and go here straight. Okay, that's fine. So I need to now just select. I need to need this one, select this one. I just select all the things and go to the object. I go to the expand all the things and select again. Go to the here and just the color. I think the color it will be more. Yes, yes, this color. Okay, it's fantastic. It's doing well. So what can I do? I need to again go to the here with the white color because I need delete all the things. Okay, okay, okay. So yes, I think it is done. Okay, okay. There's all the things. Okay, so I think. Oh, sorry. It's been happen. That's fine. It's a little bit taking time because sorry for that again. I'm mistaken. Okay, it's taking time. So I think this is the way where I wanna. Here you see the exactly. I can do this one. I think this is the right way to take this way. So this one here, gain max pro. I need a now tool right here. Just type tool here for the max pro. So you see how is happening. I now writing here max pro. So max pro pro. This is the color change. I needed to color here. I just put it here a little bit bigger. Yes, I think keep it. I just to color go here for the color. I think this is exactly color. Okay, a little bit bigger. Okay, just fine. Fine color. No, no here ellipse tool. So the way here just keep these things. Okay, so I need a tool here. Just go in here. A little bit bigger. Okay, not much more. This is maybe much more happiness here. Okay, so I think it's okay. Yeah, it is fine. Little bit little bit here. Outside. Yes, I think this is fine. And a little bit smaller. Yes, this is exactly like that. Good. Exactly. Not the any differences between this one. So thanks for watching. Thank you very much.